This is the air sound. When we make it, we don't make a sound. We just let air come out of our mouths. Can stretch into other sounds like this.
Ha. Ho. He.
Likes to go into words like house, hat, horse, and helicopter. His favourite letter is letter H. Loves to go into letter H. Other sounds like to go into H too, but only if H is with another letter. Is the only sound that likes to go into H on its own. If other sounds want to go into H with another letter, lets them. Likes it best when H is on its own, so that it's nice and quiet.